guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I want to share to you some article about fit to use long awaited guidelines for granting master account to crypto banks. The U.S. Federal Reserve Board has finalized strict guidelines for granting Federal Reserve account with roaming crypto banks likely to fall under the most scrutiny. The United States Federal Reserve Board announced Monday that it had finalized its guidelines for the Federal Reserve Bank are to consider when reviewing requests for Federal Reserve's account and payment services. The guidelines create and treat theories differ from work with the level of due diligence to be provided, depending on the applicant's risk level. Guidelines were first proposed in May 2021, with a supplemental proposal released in March, and the finished guidelines, which comes into force after their publication in the Federal Register, are substantially similar to them. The fifth set is a statement that institutions that engage in naval activities and for which authorities are still developing appropriate supervisory and regulatory framework will undergo and more intensive review. Nonetheless, in continuous for framework was refined to provide more comparable treatment between non-federal insurance institutions chartered under state and federal law. Non-federally insured institutions that are chartered under federal law but do not have a holding company subject to Federal Reserve oversight will be subject to the most stringent review. Financial institutions need a Federal Reserve account to access the global payment system. The first law operates the granting crypto bank access to Federal Reserve accounts, which are often referred to as master accounts, has long raised heckles among crypto bankers. Wyoming introduced its rules to allow for blockchain banks in 2019. In June, Wyoming Brothers Digital Assets, a custodial bank, uses the Federal Reserve Board to govern and the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City, claiming that the 19 months it had been waiting to receive a master account exceeds the legally set limits on response time. The Loomis Gillibrand Responsible Financial Innovation City will create the requirements for Fed responses to market master account application. Federal Reserve Bank Governor Mr. Bowman warned in assessment that the new guidelines are only the first step in providing a transparent process. There is a risk that its publication calls such the expectation that reviews will now be completed on an accredited timeline. NFTs and intellectual property espionage. In its simplest form, intellectual property relates to something to create with your mind, such as work, uh, literature, and invention. This protection were relatively easy to enforce in the knowledge era, but our digital world, where copying and spotting runs abound as millions of people create their own context, makes things especially challenging. Non-fungible tokens are a thrilling development that have the power to modernize everything from baseball cards to music albums, from movie magazines to stunning art. But as with any new technology, there are issues that need to be overcome. The industry is still getting to grips with the work that are awarded to the owner of an NFT, and there are other threats that need to be addressed. Okay, yeah, maybe just enough time for our watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.